Hi, I'm Pablo. Are you sick of constantly buying headphones every 3 or 4 weeks? I know I was until a friend put me onto these new SMS audio headphones, and since then, I've never looked back. The durability and sound quality is second to none. These headphones are designed with a ridged metal structure covered in a durable, flexible resin, giving them the strength you won't find in other products. The over-ear cushions are made of memory foam and covered with the plush leather, creating a comfortable experience every single time. Their build quality on the outside is just as impressive as it is on the inside. The speakers in these headphones have a range from 20 to 20,000 hertz, and every single note and spoken word is clear throughout. In these headphones, you will never experience clipping or sound distortion. They're used in the world's biggest nightclubs by world-renowned DJs. If you don't take my word for it, you can hear it from a few of our extremely satisfied customers.
I know you're gonna dig this.
I've had dozens of pairs of headphones through the years and spent $400 to $500 on each. Those just don't come close to these new SMS audio headphones. What I really like about them is you can wear them all night comfortably and pump them up at top volume. And at the end of the night, don't feel like your head is in a vice. And the sound quality just gets better with the ages.
This is how we do it.
The choice is obvious. Call and get these spectacular headphones for just 4 easy payments of $39.99. But call now and we will drop 1 payment. That's only 3 payments of $39.99. But wait, there's more. If you call now, we will also send you the carrying case and 2 auxiliary cords, 1 for everyday use and 1 for the studio. Call now.